Bonjour, Wanderlusters! Welcome back to Offbeat Wanderlust, your go-to travel channel for discovering the world's hidden gems. Today, we're diving into the enchanting city of Paris, where the iconic meets the unexpected. If you love exploring unique experiences and off-the-beaten-path adventures, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more travel inspiration. And remember, all the links to tours and activities mentioned today will be in the description below, so you can easily plan your Parisian getaway. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Professional photo shoot with the Eiffel Tower. First up on our list is a professional photo shoot with the Eiffel Tower. Capture the magic of Paris with a personal photographer who knows all the best angles. Imagine having stunning photos taken against the backdrop of this iconic landmark. It's a perfect way to create lasting memories of your trip. Check out the link in the description to book your session. Number 2. Free walking tour of the city. Next, let's talk about something that's not only fun, but also free. Join a free walking tour of Paris. This is a fantastic way to explore the city's rich history and vibrant culture while meeting fellow travelers. Local guides will take you through hidden alleys and famous sites, sharing stories that bring Paris to life. Walking tours are a wonderful way to immerse yourself in the local atmosphere and discover neighborhoods that you might not find on your own. I suggest finding free walking tours in these cool neighborhoods: Montmartre, the Marais, Saint-Germain-des-Prés, Latin Quarter, and Bastille. Number 3. Skip the Line Palace of Versailles Bike Tour. Now, if you're looking for a day trip outside of Paris, consider taking a Skip the Line Palace of Versailles bike tour. Pedal through beautiful gardens and skip the long queues to explore this opulent palace. It's an exhilarating way to experience one of France's most famous landmarks without the hassle. Why, you'll love it. You'll visit both the iconic palace and the local town market. Ride through the picturesque countryside, explore the royal gardens, and skip the line for the chateau. Number 4. Walk along Canal Saint-Martin. For a more laid-back experience, don't miss a leisurely walk along Canal Saint-Martin. This picturesque area is lined with charming cafes and boutiques. It's a perfect spot for people watching or enjoying a quiet moment away from the bustling city. As you stroll along the tree-lined paths, you'll encounter the iconic iron footbridges and locks that give this neighborhood its unique character. The gentle sound of water and the sight of boats gliding by create a serene atmosphere, making it an ideal place to unwind with a book or enjoy a coffee at one of the many outdoor terraces. Be sure to visit in the late afternoon when the golden light casts a magical glow over the canal, enhancing the beauty of this hidden gem. Number 5. Eiffel Tower View Candlelight Dinner. Looking for romance? How about an Eiffel Tower View candlelight dinner in a Parisian apartment? Enjoy an intimate dinner with a direct view of the Eiffel Tower, creating a magical atmosphere as it sparkles against the night sky. Savor a gourmet meal prepared by some of the best chefs in Paris, featuring exquisite French cuisine. As you indulge in each delicious course, sip on luxury wine and champagne, elevating your dining experience to new heights. Imagine clinking glasses with your loved one while gazing at the shimmering Eiffel Tower. It's the perfect way to celebrate a special occasion, or simply enjoy a romantic evening in the City of Light. This candlelight dinner is not just a meal. It's an unforgettable experience that captures the essence of romance in Paris. Number 6. Panoramic view from Galerie Lafayette. Next, head over to Galerie Lafayette for a stunning panoramic view of Paris. The rooftop terrace offers incredible sights, including a perfect view of the Eiffel Tower. Grab a drink at their cafe and soak in the beauty of this magnificent city from above. From this vantage point, you can see iconic landmarks such as the Opera Garnier, Sacré-Cœur, and even Montmartre in the distance. The terrace is particularly breathtaking during sunset, providing a picturesque backdrop for unforgettable photos. In warmer months, you can also enjoy delicious dishes from pop-up restaurants, making it an ideal spot to relax and savor the moment while surrounded by the stunning Parisian skyline. Number 7. French Macaron Culinary Class with a Chef. If you have a sweet tooth, you'll love taking a French Macaron Culinary class with a chef. Learn how to make these delicate pastries from scratch. Not only will you enjoy some delicious treats, but you'll also gain new culinary skills to impress friends back home. During the class, you'll discover the secrets behind achieving the perfect macaron shell. Light, airy, and with that coveted foot. Your chef will guide you through the entire process, from selecting flavors and colors to mastering the art of piping and filling. By the end of the session, you'll leave not only with a box of your own handcrafted macarons, but also with the confidence to recreate this classic French dessert in your own kitchen. Number 8. Explore Montmartre. Montmartre is another must-visit area filled with artistic history and bohemian charm. Wander through its cobblestone streets, visit the Sacré-Cœur Basilica, and enjoy street performances at Place du Tertre. This neighborhood is bursting with creativity and offers fantastic photo opportunities. As you stroll, you'll encounter the iconic Moulin Rouge, a symbol of Parisian nightlife that has captivated audiences since 1889. The area's rich artistic legacy is palpable, with many famous artists like Pablo Picasso and Vincent van Gogh having called Montmartre home. Don't forget to explore the quaint cafes where these legends gathered to share ideas and inspire one another, as well as the charming art studios that continue to thrive today. Number 9. Visit Le Marais district. The Le Marais district is known for its trendy boutiques and vibrant atmosphere. Spend an afternoon exploring this area filled with art galleries, vintage shops, and delightful cafes. It's also home to some historical sites worth checking out. Number 10. Seine River Cruise. A classic yet magical way to see Paris is by taking a Seine River cruise. Glide past iconic landmarks like Notre Dame Cathedral and the Louvre while enjoying stunning views from the water. Opt for a sunset cruise for an extra touch of romance. As you drift along the river, you'll witness the beauty of Paris from a unique perspective, with each bend revealing new architectural gems and historical sites. Many cruises offer informative commentary, enriching your experience with fascinating stories about the city's history and culture. For a truly memorable evening, consider booking a dinner cruise where you can savor exquisite French cuisine while basking in the enchanting glow of the city lights reflecting on the water. Number 11. Visit Sainte-Chapelle. Don't miss Sainte-Chapelle, renowned for its breathtaking stained glass windows. This Gothic chapel, located on the Île de la Cité, is often overshadowed by Notre Dame, but offers an equally mesmerizing experience without the crowds. As you enter, you'll be awestruck by the vibrant colors and intricate designs of the 15 towering windows that depict over 1,100 biblical scenes. The chapel was originally built to house precious relics, including the crown of thorns, making it a significant site for both history and spirituality. Take your time to admire the stunning details and the way sunlight filters through the glass, creating a kaleidoscope of colors that dance across the stone walls. Visiting Sainte-Chapelle is not just a visual feast. It's an opportunity to connect with Paris's rich artistic heritage and feel the reverence of this sacred space. Number 12. Discover hidden cafes. Finally, take some time to discover hidden cafes throughout Paris. These cozy spots are perfect for enjoying coffee or pastries away from tourist traps. Tucked into charming corners and lesser-known streets, these cafes offer a unique glimpse into local life and culture. One standout is Café Mulot, located in the heart of Place des Vosges, where you can savor a delightful pastry while surrounded by literary history. Another gem is Le Jardin du Petit Palais, a serene café set in the museum's beautiful garden, providing a peaceful retreat amidst exotic plants and decorative pools. Don't forget to explore the Café Jacques-Martin André, situated within a stunning museum setting, where you can indulge in classic French pastries while soaking in the luxurious ambiance. These hidden cafes not only serve delicious treats, but also provide an authentic Parisian experience, making them perfect stops during your exploration of the city. And there you have it, 12 incredible hidden gems and unique experiences waiting for you in Paris. From romantic candlelight dinners with views of the Eiffel Tower to leisurely walks along the picturesque Canal Saint-Martin, this city is brimming with enchanting adventures just waiting to be discovered. Whether you're indulging in gourmet cuisine, exploring artistic neighborhoods, or taking in breathtaking panoramic views, each experience offers a chance to create unforgettable memories. So, as you plan your next trip to the City of Light, remember to embrace the offbeat and seek out these special moments that make Paris truly magical. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey through Paris's hidden treasures. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Offbeat Wanderlust for more travel tips and adventures. Share your favorite Parisian experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep wandering offbeat